So I'm kind of starting off this video with few random footages from the beginning of the week. So I don't know if you have seen the video where I took down a silver birch tree. I couldn't get it all in one go at a time. I had to leave the main trunk of the tree there, and this is the one. That is a humongous piece. This is so far the biggest log I ever had. If I open up the blade guides to the maximum, this will just barely fit the mill. But this log is not gonna get milled in this video. The one I'm going to mill is the first log you can see on the right side. This is a spalted silver birch from a different tree. I got that from a tree surgeon. I'm going for a holiday soon, and I know that log is not going to get milled for about another 4 or 5 weeks. So that's why I'm sealing the end of the logs to prevent from checking. People are keep asking me what am I painting the end of the logs with. I'm using PVA basically. I know Americans are using anchor seal to seal the logs, but I don't know if it's actually available in the UK or not. I never seen it before, but it doesn't really matter. PVA worked out just fine for me. It dries clear and my logs have not developed any checking, so I know it's good. I'm just milling some randomly chosen logs here. This is oak, and I'm getting some 19-inch slabs off of it. And that log is the last cherry log I have. I just wanted to get them out of the way. I have that log, I think, for over a month now, waiting to get milled. This is the cross section of the tree and is just a bit wider than the capacity of my mill. So I'm just gonna trim it down with the chainsaw to make it fit. must say I'm really pleased with these logs. I never thought I'm gonna have such a beautiful wood as this. It has all kind of figures and spalting and waves. The cross section up there, it is just absolutely amazing.